Assalamu alaikum. This is Barcelona airport, and I have flown all the way from Faisalabad to Qatar Airways, and Qatar stopover, and after that I got the Qatar Airways again and came to Barcelona airport because this is the airport, and I am searching my luggage. My luggage will be at belt number 13, and I am going to that way, and I'm showing the airport terminal as well as you are seeing the screen. There is a flight schedule as well as the belt number where you will be getting the luggage, and you can see the passengers are going outside, and I am now at 13 number belt where my bag is waiting for me, and I have to search my bag and I have to collect the same, right? And till then I am waiting for my bag, right? And you can see the peoples, they are staying and they are searching their bags, and hopefully my bag will also be here. Out of these, my bag color is red, and you're seeing this is the airport, Barcelona airport, and the peoples are waiting and trying to get their luggage at the earliest so they can reach their home or their destiny where they want, because tomorrow, as today is Sunday, because all the shops and offices are closed but airport is open, and right now I'm standing in front of El Corte Inglés, and this one is most famous brand in Spain. You can see the shop is closed now, and the people are coming and after getting their luggage from their belts, and again I'm going inside and I'll be showing you the offices, and this is Aina Info and items DHL, and you can see the bag shop and all the brand, it's their own brand, Samsonite, and you can see my bag is also Samsonite, and the tag and everything, you can see this is also mentioning Samsonite, and Samsonite is also famous brand. And now I'm moving airport electronics shop, and you can see, and it is not clear and zoomed, so you will not be seeing. And again I'm going to the restaurant. You can see Go Natural, and people are sitting and they are having their coffees.